So we're going to be making mushroom pakora. Chicken's a lot harder, so mushrooms are a lot more simple. So we've just chopped up here about four or five medium-sized mushrooms into half. So then we get a little bowl, we put this all in there. Pinch of salt. So a teaspoon of our Desi style own spice. 1 egg. And then some breadcrumb, golden breadcrumbs. Again, just add as much as you need. Then you're massaging it through, break up the mushrooms. And then in a separate bowl, put some more breadcrumbs. Right. And then what you're doing is you're making little balls. So you get it through, make your shape. Make sure you're not squashing it, otherwise the inside's not going to be cooked. So if you see, I'm just slowly massaging it. I'm not pushing too much pressure on it. Slowly massaging it, getting my rounded shape. So all you want to do is get the shape. You don't want to squeeze it too much. Then you put it in your other container, get another layer of golden breadcrumbs so it stays. So that's one of them done. So it's like this. Same again. And you can make it any size you want. The bigger you make it, the longer it's going to take for the inside to cook. So just a nice medium size. Size of a ping pong, I'd say. And that's it. And then you just have to place them carefully in the basket. And as you can see, they've gone quite goldeny brown and they're ready. It doesn't take too long. Mushrooms cook very quickly. Just draining some of the oil out. And again, just a little bit of decoration. It's optional. A little bit of coriander on there just makes it look a bit more colourful. And that's it. Mushroom pakora.